So, hello guys, how are you all? Hope you all are good. So, today I am back with a new editorial, and this editorial is from Code Forces round 672, Division 2. And today we will discussing the easy version of problem C. The name of this problem is Pokemon Army. And guys, yeah, so let's move on to the problem now. So what we have given in this problem is we have given an array A of size 3 into 10 raised to power 5, and what we need to do with this is we need to make an sub array of size of B, and what we need to find is such that we need to find an element such that AB1 minus AB2 plus AB3 minus AB4 means we need to subtract them alternate sum. What is it given here is the strength of the army is equals to the alternating sum of the elements of the subsequence, means the odd minus even, the oddth place, the number at the odd place minus the even the number at the even place. Okay, so the number at the even place will be not the back one, it will be the front one. So we will minus the first element with second, third element with fourth, fifth element with sixth. Okay guys, so we will minus odd with even. Okay, so this problem, everyone was saying that this problem is DP, and yeah, this problem was of DP. Yeah, this problem is of DP, and I have also used a kind of constructive algorithm and DP logic only. So let's move on to the code for this problem. This is very easy problem. So let's move on to the code now. So the code of this problem is this. What we are doing here is let's minimize this code. Okay, let's increase the size of this. Okay, so let's decrease this. Yeah, now it's good. Okay, so what we are doing here is we are here in this code we have taken two vector and of size n plus 1. Name of first one is max, mx max, and second one will store minimum element. Okay, and we have run a loop backward from I n minus 1 to 0, and we are decrementing I each time. And what we are doing here is if max I, if the I will call vector as array. Okay, and one more thing guys, remember I have taken here int as long. Okay, don't misunderstand this. I have taken int as long because rather than taking long int, I prefer to take int as long because here is no memory limit exceeding. So I have taken that, and yeah, let's come back here. So I have taken a max array. The ith element will be the max of the ith plus 1th element, comma the ai element which will be given here, the ai element minus the mx I plus 1. Okay, so here what we are given is if I minus mxi is greater, then we need to mxi will be that number, and if mxi is greater, then mx will be that number. Suppose in this case, if suppose a slash I is equals to what we can say 5. Okay, and mxi is equals to mxi plus 1 is equals to, let's say, 2. Okay, so in this case what will add, should we add 2 or 5 minus 2. Okay guys, hope you all know that we will add 5 minus 2 only. Okay, so this is the logic, and same we will do for min also. And yeah, but here what we are doing, you should remember one thing. We are decrementing min, means min. Okay, we are decrementing min minus 1, min I plus 1. Okay, and here we are decrementing max. Okay, so here what will be the, here in this array, the ith element will be first element will be the max of all of maximum strength of the army. Okay, so this was the code only, and simply we will print the answer for this, means the first element of the maximum array. So this was the logic for this, guys. And yeah, this could be done through DP also, but I like this one using vector, because this code was little less. I means the logic will be same only, but I like this one, so I have done like this. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, hit a like button, and don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, I will be posting the solutions for latest contents going on, and I will try to post the solution for C2. This was C1, and hard version also I will try to post, and I will also try to post D1 also. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification bell. So thanks for watching, guys. Meet you guys next time. Till then, be safe. Bye bye, guys. Bye bye.